What's up, guys? We're down in Pigeon Forge, kind of over in the old mill area. Just going to check it out. Don't know what we're going to get into. We're going to check out the knife making and a few other things. There's all kinds of shops and stuff down here. Just another day down here. It's just a little bit rainy, but still plenty of things to do and fun to have. But for now, let's just go in here and check them out. We're over here now in the pottery place, and all kinds of stuff in here too. A lot of gifts. Check these out. Some pretty interesting birdhouses. Some other stuff here. Got some wind chimes. Over here you can watch them make pottery.
It happens.
All kinds of different gifts and stuff in here. Bibles. That's the design that's on the Bible itself. Yeah.
Grapes of bath, grapes of wrath.
These soaps, yeah, all different kinds. Little soap dishes here. Candles. There's some nice cups. You got several different kinds of bowls. There's all kinds of stuff in here in the pottery barn. I would hate to see what the price is on these, because I'm not going to be touching them. But they are nice. We got dish sets. All kinds of stuff in here, but be careful. I wouldn't want to knock any of this over because there's some stuff in here that's not cheap, but they do have things in here that's going to that make good gifts. But some of the stuff is quite pricey. Very nice. Old-fashioned wood kitchen utensils. Buttermilk pancake mix. That's different. I like these pie plates. Carolina Reaper. Salsa bowls. Be good for having chips around it. Fill up salsa. Good for entertaining. You can see one there. Every one of these mugs is unique. I mean, even though they're very similar, you can see that each time they make one, it's always just a little bit different. So, I mean, that is a unique gift. Just all down through here. Not two of them exactly alike. They're all just a little bit different. Oatmeal candy kitchen.
I found Grace card. Here.
Is it soft? Yeah, it looks like they are.
Sugar-free taffy. All kinds of different candies. Taffy bag, and then just load up with different kinds of taffies, whatever you want. You can sit here and watch them make candies too. Candy apples, there's different flavors. Fudge.
Oh, Robin.
All kinds of baked stuff here. You got over here, you got some pickles, some chow chow, salsas, all kinds of stuff. And one thing, if you make your own foods down here, going to the grocery store, come get you some of this as a nice little added treat. All kinds of kitchen accessories. An old grater, we got one of those at the house. Still use it. Ice cream scoops. Work for dough and other stuff. You got all kinds of jams and jellies. You can see right there they're making the jams and jellies. Different kinds of teas.
Smoky Mountains.
Some crackers, different cheeses, meats.
Out of the jar.
Check these out, these pancake mixes. Apple cinnamon, blueberry. You also got the syrups right there with them. All the way down through here. Check these out. I like his table. Old barrel. Stools. Very cool. And there's this sign to put on my front porch. guys, we just got finished. It does come with a sheath, and I could have had the blade stamped as well as getting the sheath stamped, but I just decided to not do that. I could do that at home myself. But pretty cool little gift. But I know that railroad spikes are not very expensive, but I thought that was a little fun thing to do, fun souvenir. Anyways, on to the next stop.